Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to change video size and the resolution on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and now we have to tap on the video mode. And since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, you can be sure that you're on the video mode. And now let's take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right, we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the video size options and we've got 3 of them. So we've got UHD, FHD and HD, and all of them have 30 frames per second. So all you have to do in order to change the resolution, to change the size, is to tap on the one you'd like to use. So let me pick HD, and as you can see, it immediately changes right here. So it means that it has been applied and your device will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video size and resolution in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.